Welcome to Humana Healthy Horizons. With us, you get Medicaid that does more. Like more rewards, more everyday benefits, and more help and support so you have more time to focus on what you love. Make the most of your Humana Healthy Horizons enrollment. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download 2 digital apps to your mobile device, fill out and return 3 forms, pick and see a primary care physician. At Humana, we want to help you live your best life in your best health possible. As part of our commitment to you, we offer rewards for taking healthy actions. You can earn rewards right now. Create an account on the Go365 for Humana Healthy Horizons app and submit answers to some health questions. We will use your answers to help make sure you get the care and support you need. We also offer 24/7 access to your plan information with the MyHumana app. With it, you can see and download your member ID card, get important health notices, and more. Download both apps at humana.com/mobile-apps. Next, help us get to know you. Your welcome kit includes some important health questions, a consent for release of protected health information, and a continuity of care form. Please review and complete the forms and then send them back to us in the enclosed postage-paid envelope. We'll use this information to help with your personalized care plan. Answering the questions earns you rewards through Go365 for Humana Healthy Horizons. Finally, it's time to pick a doctor. Your member ID card includes the name of your primary care physician. To pick a different PCP, use our online Find a Doctor service at humana.com/findadoctor to see doctors in your area, or call the number on the back of your member ID card. Remember, download the Go365 for Humana Healthy Horizons and MyHumana apps, fill out and send back your forms, and pick and see your PCP. Again, welcome to Humana Healthy Horizons. We do our best to make healthcare easy. We aim to give you what you need to feel your best, plus things that you didn't even know you needed. We call that human care.